Good morning, dear student. Today we'll start NCERT first chapter, electric fields and charges and electric fields. First unit is the electrostatics. In first unit, electrostatics, the means of electrostatics. These electrostatics made up of two words. First is electro and second is statics. Electro means electric charge and static means at rest. So electrostatics is the study of electric charge at rest. Electrostatics is the study of electric charge at rest. But in physics is the branch of science electric statics. In defined electrostatics is the science or physics. Electrostatics is the branch of science which deals the electric force, electric field and potential due to arising from a static charge. It is clear the definition of electrostatics is electrostatics is the branch of science and this science deals electric force, electric fields and electric potential. Electric force and electric fields are vector quantity but potential is the scalar because force and field have directions with magnitudes but potential only magnitude, no directions. So this definition is correct. Electrostatics is the branch of science which deals the two vector quantities and one scalar quantities. In these units, electric charges and fields are discussed. First discuss the electric charge. What is the electric charge? Electric charge is the physical property of matter. Matter is occupy space and have weight and composed of the atoms. Atoms have some charges, positive and negatives. On the basis of modern concept, electric charge is a physical matter because every substance made up of atoms. Atoms have some positive charge and some negative charge. These positive charge and negative charge are consider the atoms and net the charge, total sum is 0. So system is 0. System have charge is 0. Net system of charges is 0. On the basis of model, outer orbitals in atoms, electron revolves at minute space have proton and neutron. This area is called nucleus of atom. It is also called number of nucleons. It is always positive in nature and revolving electron around the nucleus in fixed orbitals in different types of models, Thomson models, Rutherford models, Bohr models, etc. in case of chemistry. But in physics, only study positive and negative. So charge are mainly two types. First is positive and second is negative. Different philosopher gives the reason positive development and negative development. According to Thales, the great philosopher, when Thales glass rod, rubbed with silk wool, then some teeny particles are attracted, but do not explain these particles why attracted towards the material. But Gilbert explained by experiment material embers like sulfur rubbed with rod, then teeny particles are further attracted. This attraction is due to electrification. So material are also electrified. So also called electrification process found. This process explained by the Gilbert, but Thales do not explain why the teeny particles are attracted by this material. So charges concept are mainly two types. So static charges are two types. First is the positive, second is the negative. We study the electric charge property. Electric charges have following properties. First, most important property is the additive in nature. Second is the conserved. Third is the quantized. And fourth is it is scalar quantity. First property is additive in nature. It means all static point charges added by algebraically, because all charges are scalar in nature, have only magnitude, no directions. Conserved means it is cannot be created and cannot be destroyed, only change one form to the another form. Quantized means it is the integral multiple of a small unit of charges. So first formula in this chapter is Q is equal to plus minus Na, where N is the number of electrons and E is the smallest unit of charge, Q is the charge. And fourth is the scalar quantities. Scalar quantities means have only magnitude, not directions. SI units of charge. SI unit of charge. Its unit is coulomb. It is represented by capital C. are ampere second. So these ampere second units created by the flowing currents, rate of flow of charge is also called current. So charge is equal to current multiply T by T. So ampere, unit of current ampere, and time is second. So other unit is ampere second. Some units are microcoulomb, and millicoulomb. 1 microcoulomb is 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb, and 1 millicoulomb 10 to the power minus 3 coulomb. It helps the numerical problem. 1 microcoulomb convert into coulomb, and 1 millicoulomb convert into coulomb. So I help the 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb and 10 to the power minus 3 coulombs. SI units and dimension formula of charge. Dimensional formula of charge is AT, because it is the fundamentals. AT, A is the ampere, T is the time. Current is the fundamental and T is the fundamental. So current I is equal to Q by T. So Q is equal to IT. So dimensional formula is AT. फर्दर हम लोग इसमें some numericals are created. A metal have plus 1 coulomb charge, and how many electrons are transferred from metal. So value of charge is 1 coulomb, and formula is Q is equal to plus minus N. N is Q by E, where Q is 1 coulomb and E is the charge of electron, 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. So give the number of electron 6.25 10 to the power minus 18. And sign convention, one electron have minus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. So take a negative values, number of N is negative. These negative sign indicate the metals have deficiency of electron due to development of 1 coulomb charge. If metals have negative charge, then value is positive. These positive values indicate number of electron increases in this metal sphere. Due to this oxidation and reduction process, number of electron are gained, number of electron are loose. Only electron is responsible for the electrification. In this problem, solve the electrification process. These problem indicate only electron is transfer one material to another material, one part to another part. So number of gain of electron, number of lose of electron indicate the positive charge. So other examples, some metals, given question, some metals, irons chlorines, some ions Cl minus plus. Question arises, which metals, which ions have maximum number of electrons? In ground states, iron have 26, atomic number is 26. Chlorines 17, but in iron case, chlorine is 18 because chlorine have negative charge. Similarly, iron Fe have 3 positive charge. So 3 electrons are expelled out. So materials have total number of 23 electrons. In this case, chlorine increase the electron. When chlorine convert in chlorine minus and iron convert iron plus, then number of electron in chlorine increases and number of electron in iron decreases. This process, some electrons are enters in chlorine and some electrons are expelled out from the iron. This process in case of electrochemistry called oxidation and reduction. In oxidation process, electron is always expelled out from the material, and reduction process, electrons always enters inside material. So number of electron is also increases and number of electron is also decreases. So these it is the best example, the electrifications. According to Gilbert, when rod and sulfur material rubbing, then develop the charge, then develop the electrification process, then material is electrified by the explained experiment. So these examples explain the electrification process. Second is chlorine and fluorine and iron. Chlorine is the reduction phenomena and iron is the oxidation phenomena. So overall, electrifications, only electron are responsible, not proton, not neutron, because neutron is neutral, proton is positive, and both are the placed inside the nucleus of atoms. Only electron revolve around the nucleus in fixed orbitals. Thank you.